Say this to her, and she'll start seeing you differently. In this video, I'm going to share something important: how to make a woman feel attracted and even fall in love with you. Psychologists have long said that women are highly responsive to words. It's not a coincidence that the right words can completely change how they feel. But the real question is, what do women actually want to hear from a man? What kind of words make their heart race and their eyes light up? And more importantly, how do you say it the right way without ruining everything? That's what we're going to cover in the first part. But remember, it's not just about words. Women also pay attention to your actions. And in the second part, I'll show you the behaviors that strengthen attraction. So make sure you watch until the end. Part 1, the words. 1, use her name. It sounds simple, but it's powerful. When you call a woman by her name, you show that you truly notice her as an individual. It creates a deeper connection. But remember, say it naturally and respectfully. Don't overuse it, and don't give nicknames too early. 2, say thank you. Women appreciate being valued. When you say thank you for something she does, you show respect and appreciation. But don't overdo it. Say it when it truly matters and make sure it's genuine. 3, give meaningful compliments. Compliments matter, but how you give them matters even more. Avoid generic lines. Don't focus only on her looks. Be specific. Instead of saying, "You're beautiful," try something like, "I like the way you think. It's different." That feels deeper, more memorable. 4, be willing to apologize. A man who can apologize sincerely shows maturity. But don't apologize for everything. Only do it when you're truly wrong and show that you're willing to improve. Part 2, the actions. 1, smile. A smile is simple but powerful. A genuine smile shows confidence and positive energy, but don't force it. Let it be natural. 2, eye contact. Eye contact is one of the strongest forms of communication. When you look into her eyes calmly, you show interest and honesty. Don't stare too intensely, but don't avoid it either. Keep it balanced. 3, giving. Gifts or gestures. Giving isn't about being expensive, it's about thoughtfulness. Even small things can mean a lot. The key is, it should feel personal, not excessive. 4, compromise. A healthy connection requires balance. A man who can compromise wisely appears more mature and grounded. But remember, don't lose your principles. Part 3, the real secret. Now you know the right words and the right actions, but there's one thing that matters the most. Be yourself, not a fake version, not someone you're pretending to be, but the best version of who you truly are. Because in the end, you can't keep someone by pretending to be someone else. And you won't be happy if you constantly fake your identity. Being yourself doesn't mean you stop improving. It means you grow while staying authentic. Closing. When you combine the right words, the right actions, and a strong identity, you don't need to chase. They'll feel the attraction. Drop a comment below. Which part hit you the most? And don't forget to subscribe if you want to keep leveling up. Stay sharp, bro.